humbly brag about your reference customers. Now, when I worked in the venture capital industry, my portfolio companies, all I had to do was to help them humbly get one reference customer, like a big bank, to put them on the map, and they get instant credibility. And what you can do if you want to, is you can do the same thing with LinkedIn by getting at least 10 people to write LinkedIn recommendations for you. And if you don't remind people of your accomplishments, then they'll soon forget. And if you feel uncomfortable humbly bragging about your accomplishments, then get other people to do it for you through LinkedIn recommendations. And if you don't believe me, then check out people that you work with that have gotten, and I say this with love in my heart, check out people's profiles on LinkedIn that you work with that have gotten promoted faster than you. Look at their profiles and see how many recommendations they have. And a lot of people make CEO partially because they ask 50 or 100 people, literally it's true, to write recommendations for you. Okay. And there's a guy named Doug Merritt, who was the CEO of Splunk, ticker SPLK. Go to his LinkedIn profile, and you'll see that by the time he got promoted to become CEO of Splunk, he had over 80 recommendations written for him. I'm sure he asked a lot of people to write them for him. He's a good dude. I like him. I met him. You can also help your recommender by drafting the recommendation for them. And then they, of course, will provide their own edits, and then they'll post a recommendation for you. And you don't have to get your boss to write one. You can get your colleagues or customers to do so. And if you ever let go at a company, which has happened to me before, and you're not a real person until you've been let go. But if you've ever been let go and you're like, oh, dude, I don't know if I can get my boss to write a recommendation for me from that company, then what you can do is you can get a colleague that you worked with, okay? Or customers, even better.